Allah loves us very much. For this reason, He gave us a very special gift. This gift teaches us how to do what is right and stay away from what is wrong. It is the Holy Quran. The angel Gabriel brought down the words of Allah and told them to the Prophet Muhammad. The Prophet said these exact words from God to the people, and the people memorized them and wrote them down in a book. Allah has promised to look after the Quran and keep it safe until the Day of Judgment. This means that the Holy Quran has never changed and never will. The Holy Quran has different sections. This makes it easy for us to know which part of the Quran we are reading or which part we want to read again. A surah is like a chapter of the Quran. A surah can be many pages long or just a few lines. We have 114 surahs in the Holy Quran. An ayah is one verse of the Quran. Each surah is made up of many ayahs. For example, the surah or chapter of Kawthar, it has 3 ayahs, i.e. verses. It is very important to remember when we read the Quran that it is a gift from Allah, and therefore we should treat it with much respect. When we want to read it, we should make sure that we are clean and tahir. Therefore we should make wudu before we read. We should show respect to the Quran by kissing it and placing it on our forehead. Open it and turn the pages carefully. Make sure not to tear or write on the pages of the Quran. Do not put the Quran near your feet or on the floor. Always make sure to put the Quran on top of other books, not below them. Make sure you concentrate when you read. When we read the Holy Quran, Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala gives us rewards in this world and in the hereafter. It also brings us closer to Allah. It teaches us new things. It protects us from Satan. Reading the Quran in our houses protects us and our families from bad things that might happen to us.